Good day, learners! Our topic for today is part of division, remediation, and enhancement of aptitude in mathematics or E-DREAM. Objective: dividing simple fraction, whole number, mixed numbers by fractions. How to divide fractions by fractions? In dividing fractions, there are three words that you should remember: keep, change, flip. Keep or copy the first fraction that is the same. Change the sign of division into multiplication sign. Flip the second fraction. Dividing fractions by fraction. Example: 2/3 divided by 1/2. Keep the first fraction 2/3. Change the sign division into multiplication. Flip the second fraction. What is the reciprocal number of 1/2? 2/1. Next, multiply both numerator and denominator. Let's do it. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 1 equals 3. The answer is 4/3. 4/3 is in improper fraction. So we need to change to lowest term by dividing the numerator by the denominator. 4 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So the quotient of the division is 1. The remainder, 1, will be the numerator, and then the denominator, keep 3. Now the lowest term is 1 and 1/3. Dividing whole number by fractions. Example: 5 divided by 2/3. Remember the three words? 5 is a whole number. Use 1 as the denominator. So keep or copy the first fraction, 5/1. Change the sign division to multiplication. The next step, look at the second fraction. Give the reciprocal number of the second fraction 2/3. What is the reciprocal number of 2/3? Children, yes, that is 3/2. Next, multiply both numerator and denominator. Let us multiply. 5 times 3 equals 15. 1 times 2 equals 2. So we have the answer 15/2. But if you look at the answer, not yet in lowest term, 15/2. Now to simplify or reduce to lowest term, let us divide the numerator by the denominator. 15 divided by 2 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. So 15 minus 14 equals 1. Then keep the denominator or the divisor. So the answer is 15/2 or 7 and 1/2. 7 and 1/2 is in lowest term or in mixed fractions. Next, dividing mixed fractions. How to divide a mixed numbers? Example, 2 and 2/4 divided by 3 and 2/3. First, change the mixed fractions into improper fraction. How are we going to do it? Multiply the denominator by the whole number. Let's do it. 4 times 2 equals 8 plus the numerator 2 equals 10. Keep the denominator of the first fraction, that is 4. So 10 over 4. Change the division sign into multiplication sign. Again, change the mixed number of the second fraction into improper fraction. 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. Flip the second fraction. Give the reciprocal number of 5 over 3. What do you think is the reciprocal number of 5 over 3? Yes, that is 3 over 5. Now we will have the answer. Multiply both numerator and denominator. 10 times 3 equals 30. 4 times 5 equals 20. Now the answer is 30 over 20. Not yet in lowest term. How to simplify? Divide the numerator by the denominator. 30 divided by 20. So 30 divided by 20, 1. 1 times 20 equals 20. 30 minus 20 equals 10. The denominator is 20. Again, 1 and 10 over 20. 10 over 20, not yet in lowest term. You have to look for the GCF, the greatest common factor. What do you think the GCF of 10 and 20? Yes, that is 10. 10 divided by 10, 1. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. So let's have copy the 1, 1 and 1/2. So the answer is 1 and 1/2. That is in lowest term. Now let's have the evaluation. Children, you get your paper and ball pen to solve. Divide the following fractions. Choose the letter of the correct answer in lowest term. Number 1, 2/3 divided by 1/2. Alright, so let us check your answer. So the answer is letter B, in whole number. Yes, very good. Next number. Now let's have number 2. 3/4 divided by 1/2. Again, solve, children. Always simplify your answer. Are you done? So let us check your answer. The answer is letter A. Check. Very good. Next number. Next, let's have number 3. 4 divided by 2/3. Solve. So what is your answer, children? Yes, very good. The answer is letter C. Now, children, let's have number 4. Divide 2 and 1/2 by 1/4. Are you done, children? So let us check your answer. The answer is letter D. Yes, your answer is correct. Now let's have number 5. Let's have number 5, the last number, dividing mixed fraction. Find the quotient 6 and 1/2 divided by 2 and 1/3. Solve. Remember the steps, dividing mixed fractions. Are you done? Can we check now the answer? Yes, your answer is letter A. Correct. 2 and 11/14. Thank you for listening.